if you are watching this video currently, then I make sure that you are not wasting your time. You will learn something productive in this video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Bhumi, and I'm also in CUET aspirants like you all. This video will be gonna very helpful if you are appearing for CUET 2024. In this particular video, I'll be sharing what are my strategy, how I am preparing, and from where I have seen the video, and many more such questions. So firstly, coming with what are the subjects which I'm appearing for. So I have selected 3 domain subjects, that is accountancy, business studies and economics, and 1 language paper, that is English, and 1 is general test. Okay, so starting with accountancy. Accountancy is that subject in which we will more practice, will do more improvement in ourselves. So if you have read your class 12 sincerely, has solved all the question papers, sample papers, previous year questions, illustrations and the book questions, then you need nothing to worry, and you need just only to revise the things, recap the things and give mock test more and more, so that you can manage your time in your examination. So the question arises, what to do with them who haven't completed yet their syllabus. So here's one solutions for them also, that they can see CUET oriented video of that particular topics and complete and cover their syllabus and they can give more and more, as we earlier also I have said that give more and more practice. Already I have one mock test paper which I give, that is Oswald edition. I have ordered from it from Amazon. You can also purchase it, of all the subjects. Then now coming with economics and BST. I know that economics एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जिसमें बहुत नींद आती है, एंड अगर उसमें आपका सिलेबस कंप्लीट है देन एब्सोल्युटली यू गोना रॉक देयर. बट अगर सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं है देन जाओ यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो, जाके सिलेबस कंप्लीट करो, वीडियो देखो, CUET ओरिएंटेड, CBSE नहीं, उसके बाद मॉक टेस्ट दो. I have noticed one thing, that some of the topics of class 11th microeconomics are also coming, such as indifference curve, elasticity of demand, supply and many more. So you need to revise that also and cover that topics. And one more thing, that if you are giving mock test, then you must note the things in another notebook that you have done mistake and the things that you have seen for the first time, so that you can revise it at the time of examinations quickly and remember it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video will help you, and if you are new to this channel, then do click the subscribe button and also become the part of this family. Thank you.